Yo, what's up everybody, it's the Money Path and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the question on everyone's mind. Will Bitcoin reach $100,000 by the end of 2025? I'm talking about real potential here, not just some pipe dream. Now I know what you're thinking, Bitcoin. Isn't that like, volatile? Yeah, you're not wrong, but that's what makes this whole thing exciting. Buckle up because we're about to explore expert insights, analyze market trends, and see if this Bitcoin rocket is actually fueled up and ready for takeoff. Let's go. Okay, let's get down to brass tacks. Right now, as we're filming this, Bitcoin is sitting at, alright, so it's around 86,409.81 USDT. Now if you've been following Bitcoin at all, you know that this thing is about as predictable as my sleep schedule after a late-night editing session, all over the place. We're talking massive spikes, sudden dips, the whole shebang. But here's the thing, over the past few months, we've actually seen a pretty decent upward trend. It's not just some flash in the pan either. This upward momentum is being driven by some pretty significant factors. We're talking institutional adoption, increased mainstream acceptance, and even whispers of potential government regulation. But when you look at the charts, when you see the way things are moving, it's hard not to at least be a little bit curious about Bitcoin's potential. This is big stuff, people, and it's only getting started. Alright, let's dive into what's really driving this Bitcoin hype train. First up, we've got the big kahuna, the approval of a Bitcoin Spot ETF. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, what the heck is an ETF? Don't worry, I got you. Basically, an ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is like a basket of assets that you can invest in. Think of it like a variety pack of chips, but instead of Doritos and Cheetos, it's Bitcoin. A spot ETF would allow investors to buy into Bitcoin directly on the stock market, which would be huge for mainstream adoption. We're talking about opening up Bitcoin to a whole new world of investors, from your grandma who loves index funds to your buddy who's still trying to figure out how to use Robinhood. And then there's the halving. Every 4 years or so, the rate at which new Bitcoins are created gets cut in half. Less supply, same demand, you do the math. This event has historically been a catalyst for major price surges in the past. And finally, we can't forget about institutional adoption. Now, I'm just one guy with a YouTube channel, but there are some serious financial heavy hitters out there who are calling for Bitcoin to hit $100,000 or even higher in the next few years. Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest and basically the queen of disruptive tech investing, has been vocal about her bullish outlook on Bitcoin. She's even gone on record predicting that Bitcoin could reach $500,000 per coin in the long term. And she's not alone. There are countless other analysts, investors, and even celebrities who are jumping on the Bitcoin bandwagon. Now it's important to remember that not everyone is convinced. There are plenty of skeptics out there who think Bitcoin is nothing more than a speculative bubble. They point to its volatility, its lack of regulation, and its potential for misuse as reasons to be wary. But here's the thing. Even the skeptics can't deny that Bitcoin has been one of the best performing assets of the past decade. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the bear in the blockchain. Because as much as I love a good bull run, we gotta be real about the risks involved with Bitcoin. First and foremost, volatility. Bitcoin is notorious for its wild price swings, and what goes up can just as easily come crashing down. I'm talking about those gut-wrenching drops that can wipe out your portfolio faster than you can say, Satoshi Nakamoto. And then there's the regulation factor. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to handle Bitcoin, and any whiff of a crackdown could send the price tumbling. We've also got to consider the environmental impact. Bitcoin mining, the process of verifying transactions on the blockchain, consumes a massive amount of energy. And with growing concerns about climate change, this is a major issue that could lead to negative sentiment and even potential restrictions on mining. Plus, let's not forget about the competition. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground today. We've looked at the current state of Bitcoin, the factors driving its price, and the opinions of experts. We've also discussed the potential risks and challenges that could lie ahead. But at the end of the day, the question remains, will Bitcoin reach $100,000 by the end of 2025? Honestly, nobody knows for sure. It's impossible to predict the future, especially in the wild world of cryptocurrency. But here's what I do know. Bitcoin is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to change the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Let us know in the comments what you think about Bitcoin's future price.